Hello everyone, I am so glad that you are here. Welcome to my course, Linux Crash Course for Beginners. Yes, it is a crash course because I have designed this course to be completed in only 2 days. You could either pick Saturday or Sunday or pick any 2 days of your choice. And sit with me and I will take you and teach you everything you need to know about Linux. This course is perfect for people who wants to take a first step in Linux and learn Linux and more. This course is also perfect for people who are already in IT, like database administrator, networking folks, and if they want to brush up their skills on Linux, this is going to be a perfect course for them. My name is Imran Afzal and I've been in IT since 2001. I have so much expertise in Linux, Windows, VMware, and so many other IT technologies. I actually did my bachelor's from Baruch College, City University of New York, and I did my MBA from New York Institute of Technology. And I've been teaching for a while, and I have helped so many people get a job of their dream. When you finish this course, I can tell you one thing. You will know many things about Linux. I will teach you as if you have actually never dealt with Linux. I do not assume anything, and I will take baby step with you and teach you everything about Linux. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go and enroll.